Hi, I'm Dr. Cheryl Karcher. It is well established that long-term exposure to the sun's ultraviolet rays can cause harm to the skin. It may also exacerbate the visible signs of skin aging and make you look older. My patients are savvy of this fact, and I hear questions throughout my day about sunscreens. And now I have something new to share with them. Avon's Anew Solar Advance. It's a revolutionary sun care line with sunscreen protection and cutting-edge anti-aging technology.
After 10 years of research, Avon scientists developed a breakthrough technology targeted to address the damaging effects of the sun. The Anew Solar Advance products feature our Repair Shield technology, which contains our patented photostable broad-spectrum sun protection system. It is designed to protect the skin from both the sun's burning UVB rays as well as UVA rays, which penetrate deeper and can lead to damage to skin cells' DNA. Repair Shield technology is designed to stimulate the production of the skin's intrinsic antioxidant system to help with skin cells on the offensive against free radicals. At its core, Repair Shield technology is designed to repair skin cell sun damage. In fact, our in vitro testing shows it can help repair 50% of skin cell damage in just 24 hours. The Anew Solar Advance products with SPF protection have endorsement from top leading industry organizations like the Skin Cancer Foundation.
That is why Avon's Anew Solar Advance is such a breakthrough combination. It provides both broad-spectrum photostable sunscreen and visible anti-aging benefits.